Okay guys, this is a recap of the DPMS since I've had it for a little over a month now. Little upgrades here and there so far. eBay Magpool sites. I put a bad lever for decocking. Red sight, actually a laser as well, all courtesy of Amazon. So far I've put 5,000 rounds of Air Venturi BBs, no problems whatsoever. 40 rounds of 40 cartridges have gone through it, so she's been very functioning wise, great functionality, no issues whatsoever. Fun plinker. My son's gonna shoot some stuff around. Oh, icing on the cake, I put a suppressor in there, any 14 millimeter counterclockwise maybe it was, but looked around for various baffles and I finally found one courtesy of Airgun Depot's package that arrived to me. There was some foam inside, cut it out, and it did the job of making it quiet. So we're gonna try and work it out. So if you got it, son, depress the lever right there. There you go. And then acorns. No low. You always gotta shoot full auto. Oh, you went safety. Okay, there you go. Semi.
What?
Semi. Good shoot up. Okay, last round. As you can see, it stopped it. So the bad lever or that I attached did work. So again, she's been a blast to fire. Thank you for Crosman for putting out something like this. Really a fun gun, and thank you all for watching. It's been almost 5,000 rounds. Yeah, it's almost 5,000 rounds. This thing's almost empty. So take care.